Hello folks, Cory here with Wilder Gun. This is video 3 in my pendulum tips series. This is a series where I talk about some tips and tricks that you can use to build upon your existing pendulum skills, okay? All you need to know in order to perform these exercises is your pendulum's movements, what the movement is for yes and what the movement is for no. It's really all you need, okay? If you haven't seen videos 1 and 2, go back through my feed, look for those, and check them out. Those are really good exercises, okay? Today, I wanted to talk to you about all those lovely channeled messages that come through on social media. Okay, I do them as well. I do daily tarot guidance messages. If you haven't seen me before, hello, my name is Cory. I am a professional pendulum and tarot reader. I have been working with pendulums for over 11 years, almost on a daily basis, and I have been reading tarot for 23 years. This lovely gal was actually made in 2012 when I first began working with pendulums, okay? So, today, like I said, lovely channeled messages. I do send those out. And we do say, a lot of us readers in those videos, that if the algorithm sent that message to you, then it is most likely meant for you. However, there are some rare instances where that may not be the case, where you may get a message hitting your page, your feed on whatever social media platform you're on, and that actually isn't a message for you. Why does that happen? Algorithms, okay? The algorithm sees what you interact with, what type of content, and pushes more of that content towards you. Whether or not that is actually meant for you in the instance of a channeled message or a tarot reading, pendulum reading, any sort of divinatory reading, how do you know for sure? Well, there is one way, which is just an intuitive gut check, but a lot of people get really hesitant about that. Is what I'm feeling really an intuitive gut check saying, yes, this message is meant for me? Or do I just want this message to be meant for me? This is where your pendulum comes in. Okay? Your pendulum, hold it over your phone as the message is playing. And ask your guides and higher self, is this reading meant for me? If you get a movement for yes, keep on watching that message. If you get a movement for no, that's okay. You can still watch the message and interact with it, especially if it's from a creator that you love, so that they get more engagement, right? However, just understand that that message isn't one for you, and that's okay, right? There are dozens and dozens of really great channeled messages and tarot messages coming through social media on a daily basis, okay? But your pendulum is a really helpful friend so that you can start discerning which messages are for you and which messages the algorithm is just pushing at you, okay? Try that out. Try it out for at least a week. Okay, and see how you feel about it. See if you can't start to get a little bit sharper with that intuitive gut sensation of being able to check without a pendulum on whether or not a message is actually meant for you. Okay, I hope you guys really enjoy this exercise. I hope you're enjoying this series. If you have any questions about it, please leave it in the comments below. I'm always happy to answer pendulum questions specifically because I freaking love these little tools. They are amazing, okay? So have a fabulous day wherever you are, whenever you're seeing this, all right? Have a good one.